Selfish is always good. But you need to understand what does it mean by self. That's more important. Unfortunately, we are contracting the horizon of the self. That's where we are stuck up. What is the self? But imagine if one is when he's child and then he thinks about only just his physical comforts. But as he grows, having a few friends around him, then also he says that I am selfish, but in his self, all his friends are included. Whatever he does for the friends. When a person is married with another spouse, then also he becomes selfish. But in that self, 1 + 1 is there. Right? So he always says, I need this, I need this. But in that I, it is not just confined only to his body. Right? And even she also is included. So he and she became I. My family. I'm like this. I need this much. So then what happened? The I which earlier is only confined to his own body now has been expanded. And expanded to 2. Of course, it's pretty normal in course of time that 2 become either 3 or 4 or 5. So, when he got a few children, like 1, 2, 3, whatever the number may be, then also he says, I, my family, etc. But in that I, in that my, it's not 1 is there. It is 1 + 1 plus either 1, 2, whatever the number may be. All they are included in that I. So what happened now? I is swelling, right? Expanding. The horizon is being expanded. When it expands, what we need to understand is, when he thinks these are included in my I, then if anything good happens to any one of that family, each of those family members feel happy. If anything happens to any one of those family members, all they feel bad. Yes or no? Huh? That means joys and sorrows are equally shared among all which are included in that I. Then only that becomes good I. Then only that becomes good family. Yes? Suppose wife is suffering and husband is not concerned. Children are suffering, parents are not caring. Do you think it's a good family? Do you think people will accept them? No. So, whenever yourself is being expanded, the concern for all that is included in that I also expanding. And then everyone is sharing the joys and sorrows of all. That is good sort of expansion. Right? Now, you have to tell me, is selfish, being selfish, is it good or bad? It is good. If it expanded properly, that is good. If it is contracted, so being a family member but not caring the wife, not caring the husband, not caring the children, not caring the other people in the family, and only just confined, Machinari Bodzako Sirirama Raksha, let anybody go to winds. It's pretty bad. What happened then? The selfishness is being contracted. Contracted. When selfishness is contracted, then you are hating that person. When selfishness is expanded in a proper way, then you like it. Being a person ruling a country, what should be his concern? taking care of all the people, all the places, all the resources and everything of the specific country, right? And whenever he goes out of his country, then also he represents their country and says, I like this, mine is like this. That's how he speaks, right? His eye is pretty big. So he's a very big selfish guy. Very big selfish guy. You understand? His selfishness is so big. Being the ruler of the country, but not caring the people. Being the ruler of the country, not caring the resources of the country, damaging, ruining them. Do you think that is a good ruler? He'll be thrown out, isn't it? Because being a person with expanded selfishness, but he's contracting his selfishness. So we call him as a bad guy. Right? Now you have to tell me, selfishness is good or bad? It's needed. But don't confine there. Go on expanding the horizon of the selfishness. To what extent? To the extent of God. Expand it to the extent of God. Everything that belongs to God, you can expand to that extent and say, everything that is God's, that's yours. Wherever there is pain, you feel that pain. Wherever there is joy, you enjoy. Right? Is it good or bad quality? That's what is needed. That's what is required. That's what we have to work for. This is what our scriptures are saying. So don't contract swartha. Expand swartha. Enhance swartha. Grow swartha. Be selfish. Be good selfish.